Hello everyone, welcome back to our discussion room. Let's see what our topic for today is. That's wonderful. It's our favorite sport or activity. Let's get started. Your task is to talk about your favorite sport or activity. Give 2 reasons why it's your favorite and share one memory or experience to tell us why it's special to you. Let's begin. Carlos, why don't you share first?
Sure. My favorite sport is basketball. I love basketball because it keeps me active and I get to meet my old friends who also play basketball. One memory is that basketball is a sport I used to play with my dad growing up, so it reminds me of my childhood.
That's great, Carlos. I like basketball too. What about you, Sarah?
I enjoy baking. It's because I like art and I love sweets. With baking, I can be creative and I can also satisfy my sweet tooth. My daughter and I bake cupcakes together on the weekends. This I'll cherish forever, and it's a memory I want her to grow up with.
That's wonderful. Now it's your turn. What about you? Do you have a favorite activity or sport? Great, what is it? That's wonderful. Why is that your favorite sport? Very good. Do you have a memory you can share with us? What a wonderful memory. Great work. What about you, Liam? What is your favorite sport or activity?
I enjoy watching soccer. I'm from Spain and soccer is a big deal there. Watching soccer is not only a family event, but it's a community event. Everyone comes together to watch soccer. When I watch a soccer match on TV, it reminds me of when I lived in Spain. When I was a child, my neighbors and my cousins would come over to watch the match. The whole street would celebrate our victory.
That sounds wonderful. What about you, Emma?
My favorite activity is going for a jog. The reason I love jogging is because I get to enjoy the fresh air and at the same time, I get my exercise for the day. One memory I can share about jogging is that one day I was out for a morning jog and I found a little kitten sitting by a tree. The kitten was all alone and scared. I decided to adopt her. Ever since then, my cat, Wenji, has been a part of our family.
Great work, guys. I really enjoyed learning more about you. I will see you at our next discussion class. Have a wonderful day. Bye.